We are nearing the 10-year marker of the invention of Bitcoin in the year 2019. So, what is in store for the future of these companies and this currency? Well, there are 3 startups that are joining together to launch a cryptocurrency experiment, which they call Lightning. If it's to succeed, it would add another layer of secure network on top of the initial Bitcoin network. So the companies behind this experiment hope to make this cryptocurrency more secure for users by adding what they call channels, which are cleverly formatted Bitcoin transactions called commitment transactions, which happen between private conversations between two or more users. They ideally are, in a sense, making IOUs where each user will need to sign off on the transaction before it actually goes through. So we will see in the future whether this experiment brings more users to the table, and if it actually does allow users more safety without the fear of being hacked or losing money through Bitcoin. There are other unknowns as far as government involvement and hacking, the uncontrollable conditions that come into play. But we do know that there is potential damage to buyer ability in exchange, especially when it comes to government interference. There could be problems as far as taxes. Today, users are not able to pay taxes, any government taxes or state taxes, using Bitcoins. There is, I believe, in the state of Ohio, they have recently passed laws where you can use Bitcoin to pay state tax. Beyond the United States, there are international effects because it goes beyond US borders. So the countries that are beginning to take notice of Bitcoin are Japan, countries like China, Australia, have begun to step in and weigh regulations and monitor the usage of Bitcoin. The really big question is whether spenders, buyers, and sellers will continue to keep investing and keep putting confidence in this online digital currency over the normal currency that we use in real life.